Maureen Coughlin here on location and excited to show you my newest listing at 341 East Chestnut Hill Road in Montague, Massachusetts. Come check out this great 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, new contemporary style with over 2,500 square feet of living space. Let's go take a look. Situated on 4 very private acres surrounded by protected land and close to Wendell State Forest, this home has so many special features you will love. Look at this fabulous kitchen with granite countertops, an island with lots of storage, stainless steel appliances, and the new soft close cabinets. Need a house with a bedroom on the first floor and a full bath? How about a living room with a wood stove? And how about front and back decks to expand your outdoor living? Check, check, check. Upstairs you will find 2 more bedrooms, an office area, another full bath, and a convenient laundry room. But wait, there's more. Come check out this fabulous family room for family fun and entertaining. Hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 341 East Chestnut Hill Road in Montague, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me at the number below. Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Good for you. Okay, keep going.
Good,
yeah, okay. No, I didn't say that right, sorry. You're not, okay, every time I tell you not to put bloopers in, you do. Okay, so cut it out on some of those, okay? Yeah, I know, you're gonna put this one in, right?